Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the beautiful Diva wig. She is in the color 1B, 13 by 4, fake scalp, pre-plucked lace front wig. And baby, these curls on this unit are to die for. I'm obsessed. Very first thing we're going to do is cut off those ear tabs, y'all. Honestly, the wigs are made at 13 inches across to make it fit anyone's size. Make sure to customize your wig front. Make sure those ears have some space to breathe, okay? So we're going to cut that off. Next, we're going to go into cutting. I normally cut like 4 sections. I just prefer to work in smaller sections. It's easier to not make mistakes that way. So I am going to grab these serrated scissors that I got from Amazon. They are amazing. I say it all the time on all my videos. Do not cut in a straight line. This is what I mean, guys. Next, we're going in with Old Trusty Even Spray. I'm obsessed with this spray, y'all. It works so well. Honestly, since I found this, I have not been using the glue at all. I did try to keep my mistakes in, y'all. So as you can see, the lace is cut. It's a little bit too much lace on there. That's why you're seeing it. I'm going to go in with the serrated scissors and go a little bit closer to the hairline to really create that space and make sure that it looks as natural as possible. I'm going to take those same steps with the next 3 sections. Cut them with the serrated scissors, spray with the even spray, and then you use your comb to really press in those baby hairs. Okay, y'all, after we've sprayed the entire front hairline, I am going to go in with the even spray and literally spray it on my finger first and then press it into the lace. We're just doing that final seal before we put on our normally elastic band, y'all. I didn't know where mine was, so I just used my headscarf. Y'all, this was like 3 minutes later. I took the headscarf on. Y'all know it does not take long for it to start looking like scalp. And this looks like scalp, y'all. And you know I was already telling y'all about the curls. I am obsessed. Obsessed with this one. I would just wear it as a rocket out your face. I love to do my wigs like that. No part, but I decided to show y'all some parting space as another option. I'm going in with a slick stick. Now with this slick stick, y'all see I was just pressing it onto the parting space. I do not swipe, y'all. I notice it gets really oily in that spot if you use too much. Y'all see me going in with the hot comb. Got it nice and straight, y'all, and she is feeling herself clearly. Next, the last step for me is always the concealer. One of the tricks that I do with my concealer is I make sure I think that they're always not quite the right color. So I will put it all in the part, but you'll see me press off the excess with my finger. Y'all, this install took me literally no time. I literally got done with this within 10 minutes, and such a great, easy install and great for beginners. Thanks so much for tuning into my video. If you guys are interested in this unit, please check the link out below. See y'all next time. Bye.